Hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're going to be opening these very small making food boxes. Today we're going to do this one. Let's look at this box. This is the thing that is included. I bought the board out so it couldn't get messy on it somewhere. You have to make these like so cute little things. These are the other things you can make out of these boxes. Like we got this one, so we're going to make something very cute. So let's open it. Where's the scissors? Thank you, assistant babe. Your assistant bee. It's so help me. Yeah, look. Do you like singing? Yes, I do. Do you like singing? Yes, I do. Can you be faster, please? They're waiting. Is this like so hard? Yay, we finally got it. Now let's open it. We got this dough. Says blah blah blah. I don't know how to say it. And we got this little big instructions pack. Instructions. We got the molds and the other box, which is not the same as the other one. What is this? I think it's glue. Yeah, we're not going to use it yet. And the things that we cut and it turns into strawberries or the other things, or strawberries and something else. So let's get started. So how we need to make the color is we could use some markers or some watercolor to make those little clays turn into other colors. So let's get started. How to get started is first we need to prepare some of these markers to color and some of this watercolor to color too. It has a brush included. So let's get started. ×2. First let's use this. I don't know how to use this. Maybe I'll use this for the cookie, right? Feel this. Feel this. Feel this. Feel this. I think this is for the cookie. So let's, I think I used way too much for the cookie. Can you use for the medium cookie? Let's plop it out. Did it came out? No. Let's get it out. Oh no! The cookie. Gotta be very careful. Lift it back up on the sheet. So now we got a cookie that's half flat. Now let's use some. Now let's cut. Now we finished using the molds, doing a lot of these. These are the big cookie sides. These are the little tomatoes or the strawberries, but we have strawberry. These are the cream. There is 4 creams and the little lettuces or candy or a little very small cookie here. So this is the mold we made them. I don't know what is this. Now let's start coloring. Let's use yellow and color some yellow pink. Sings cookies. Let's cookies. Let's cookies. We're gonna unpause it. Let's color the cookies. 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 Do we need to pause the video? Yes, let's pause the video. So guys, do you like coloring? I do like coloring because Look at this cookie I'm coloring. It's so pretty. It's like a real cookie. Look at all the cookies I colored. They are all I colored. Right, cameraman?
Yes, you're right, Audrey.
Yeah, cameraman's not here. I'm by myself. There's my little assistant on the side helping me hold the camera and stuff. So now I finished coloring all the cookies. Now let's color the tomatoes. Now we colored all the cookies, all the toppings. Now we're going to cut some strawberries. I cut one already. Now let's cut some more. We cut 2 strawberries that are not very pretty. Now, like one is bumpy and one is like this. So now let's stick them into the... Wait, we have to make something. Give me this. Now we're going to make a very big cream, but we're going to just spread it out. And we're going to make it into a ball, then smush it. And then we gotta do 2 eyes. I'm gonna try to recreate the bunny one because it's very cute. Let's use some black. Poke some eyes on it. Because I'm gonna make the bunny one, gotta make precise. The bunny. I finished doing this eyes. So now we're gonna try to stick them together. Now if I know where the glue is, now we got the little piece of glue. Let's do the big one. Why is the hammer? So I'm gonna try to recreate maybe try this one. No. Let me see what I can do first. I'll try this one. Yeah, this one. First, I need the cookie, which is sized the biggest I want. And then now we need a piece of ham. Where's the ham? It's right here. We first put the ham down. Take some glue and put it the place we didn't color. Now we're gonna stick it together. First, use some glue. Put some glue. You have to squeeze the glue out. A little bit of glue. And then we gotta stick the piece of ham on top. Yep, that looks good. Take some more glue. You gotta use a very... Can you hold this? I said you hold the cookie, then I squeeze it on. I see the glue coming out. Is it coming? Why is the glue so hard at getting out? Okay, yeah, I got some glue now. Now we just gotta stick. Give me that.
Small piece of vegetable.
Small piece of the lettuce, then we put it on top again. And then first we gotta use another glue. I'm gonna put the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. This glue is very hard to get out. I just poked a hole in my food. Now we got the glue. Now give me the egg. Where's the egg? Thank you. And now we gotta use the egg. on top of this. And here we got it, our own little piece of cookie. So now I'm gonna let you guys see how I do this sandwich. First, I take the glue, put it on this piece of cookie, and then I take the lettuce, put the lettuce on top of the cookie, and then I take some more glue, squeeze it on top. Now I'm going to take some of this meat on it, and then after I put the ham, I'm going to use some more glue and put the top on, and then some more glue so I can put the little cherry or the little tomato on top. Like, it's a cherry tomato, like those small kind of cherry tomato. So this is all we got here. Let's show you guys how we made them. Not show you guys how we made them, show you all of them at what we made. I'm going to zoom in. First, let's look at this one. This is a very cool one, which is a cookie, 2 little small creams, and 2 little tomato slices, and that's how you look at the lettuce. And look at this. The back is no color, so nobody saw that. Okay, let's put that here. Second one we made, it's like a little person. It's a tomato slice, a cream, and the bread, and the little cookie slice. You can see my, look, it's so cool. It when it kissed you. Let's put it away. I don't know if the camera was focused. This is one of that I made. It's super creepy. Got 2 strawberries for ears, the cream for the face, and the cookie for the base. Does it rhyme? Bye. Fine. This one is the cutest one. It's like a little bunny with 2 strawberries and a very cherry tomato tail, and a very large melted marshmallow slime, and the cookie for the base. This one I made too. It's like a person with a wedding dress, but has no hair. Now let's put him in here. This one I made too. All of them technically I made them. Right. So this one has a base for the cookie, the cream for nothing, and the strawberry. It's like so cool, these ones. This one is a very tiny one. It's the cookie, a lettuce, and a cherry tomato. This one is kind of classic too. It's like the same, but ham in the middle. Is it focusing? The camera is not focusing. Now we put this back. This one I recently just made. It's like so cool. You just saw me make it. So cool. This one I made too. It's like so cool. It's like the eyes and mouth. Look at this one. It's like the same thing, but blinking. You can pause the video if you want to see it longer. Look at this one. It's ham, lettuce, and eggs, and slipper. This one I also made too. It's like a little new. So this is all we just got. We made a lot of them. So this is all we got. Now let's put this back in the blue plate. Like, these were so fun to make. You can also try at home with your own Play-Doh. This is my favorite one out of all of them. No, the sandwich one is my favorite one. Look at this one. It's like so tasty. I just want to put it in my mouth. This one. Oh no, your baby fell down. Ah! Where's the baby one? It's like I have to be so steady or all of these will trip out. Or down, but now out. Like, after this video, you gotta make sure you share this video to other views. So this is how it got. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.